So this is going to be an unboxing of an iPhone Pro 16 Pro, 256 gigabytes in natural titanium. So this is my wife's phone. So the previous unboxing, the worst iPhone unboxing ever, was mine, which was a 16 Pro Max. I've used the same case. Well, I'm going to use the same case I used on my Pro Max and the same screensaver because they've been really, really good. So first of all, I'm going to unbox the phone. There's very, very minimal things in these days. It does look quite nice, that natural titanium. I went for the desert titanium, but no, I like the back of this. Wife's gone for this one because it's smaller than mine, but it's still got all the pro features and the cameras because she is into photography. And she's coming from an iPhone 11, so this is going to be a massive improvement. So you get the phone, you get the charging case, and you get the SIM tray ejector. Not that I've used a SIM, or my wife's used a SIM in years. We're with EE, and it just automatically swaps over the electronic SIM every time we upgrade. And just some instructions in this bit. So I'm going to do next is the screen protector. Why is that not going on? So I'm going to follow the instructions exactly as it says in the packaging. This is a screensaver, isn't it? Yes, it is. It's a big case because it comes with a installation frame. And it's a two-process with this. So you pull a film out, there's a tab, you pull a film out, it removes all the dust if any's gone on the screen. Oh, there shouldn't be any on this, there's not now. Let's hope I don't introduce any. I've used these cases since the 15 Pro Max. So I did mine last year and my son's, not an issue with it. I did my 16 Pro Max this year and not an issue with it. And I just hope I don't mess this up because it's the wife's. So you get two screensavers with this. One's in here, along with things to tack the screen with. Start a wonderful journey. Use the manual. So clean the surface with the wet wipes and then wipe off the remaining water stains with a dry cloth. Right, so I've got a dry cloth ready. Let's get the alcohol wipes out. As I said, this is brand new out of the box, so it probably doesn't really need cleaning. That's a cloth for drying the alcohol off if there's any excess on there when I've finished cleaning it. And this is the tiniest alcohol cloth I've ever seen. And I don't think there's any excess alcohol going to be left. I think that's clear. I mean, if you do mess this up, it's not the end of the world because you do get two glass screens. One is already in the case, ready to go. So you don't even need to touch this at all. And then, I forgot about this bit. This is a spudgy in case you get any air under. don't know if you can see, but some dust just landed on there. So I'm going to have to do the next bit in the instructions, which is use these tacky stickers and just lay it down, just to make sure there's no bits of dust that's landed on there. If there is, the way this works, it takes the dust out with it. So this is all real overkill. So I think you put it down like that on there. Let's go back to the instructions. Align the pattern frame. Make sure to place it in the correct direction and pull out the long plastic tab. Wait for 5 seconds for the perfect seal with the screen, then take off the install frame, pushing out any bubbles that are left. So, pull this tab, and any dust that was left on there stays on there. 5 seconds. Do I pull the other tab or do I just lift it off? I think I just lift it off after I've done that. And take the install frame and pull it off. Yeah. There we go, so I've got some air bubbles. Need to take those to the side. This is always the time consuming bit, but they do all go. This big bit here. I'll just pause that while I got the rest of those little bubbles out. I don't think you need to watch me for 5 minutes cleaning bubbles. Believe it or not, there is a screensaver on this. They are very good ones. And you've got a spare. So that's the screen protector on. And the next thing is put it in a case, which is the easiest bit. Torras activate warranty. The magnets on these, or the MagSafe magnets, are really strong. I have a MagSafe adapter in my car, and on my case this really does stick well to it. It's not fallen off once while I've been driving. It's easy as that to fit. this is a MagSafe ring, but this also has function as handhold or a stand for watching content like that, or that way, or that way if you want a bigger angle. This here it ratcheting, so you can get it at different heights, no matter what orientation you want your phone in, landscape or portrait. So the next thing to do, as that's all done, our phone's all protected, no dust marks anywhere, is to get it set up and transferred all the information from the old phone onto the new one. I hope she'll be happy with that. So again, thanks for watching. Please like and subscribe. It makes all the world a difference, and I can bring you more videos like this. See you in the next video.